Hey, I'm Akrit and this is sheets2api, a tool that turns any Google Sheet into a full-blown REST API, perfect for makers, MVPs, internal tools, or anything that you imagine of. For this demo, I have created a demo to-do with columns ID, tasks, and done as a status, and here are 4 list of to-dos that I need to do it. In order to sync the data between our Google Sheet and our API server, we need to share with the service account as an editor role. Once done, simply copy the link and come back to API, right? Simply paste the link and let the magic happen. This will create entire CRUD functionality with some additional functionalities like batch create, get by index, or anything, right? This will be the API endpoint. We need to pass an API key as a header in our every request, a sample code for JavaScript, Python, and crawl. I can view all the data over here and an API tester tool to test, right? So I'll simply get all the list of data. So here are the list of data. So particular indexed, the first index data has been fetched, right? So now let us create a sample to do. Let's say it's 5 and say edit demo video after recording. I'll mark it as a false and execute it. Once completed, I'll be able to see that new entry over here, right? So I can update the data. Let me quickly say this. The first one is done, right? So let me come back to 0 and come to post. I can say this will be 1. What's the true? And I can simply execute this request. So once completed, this will be true now, right? So I can delete specific row or I can create multiple rows. You can find entire Postman collection over there. A documentation to walk you through the API mystery journey. So it's basically creating a sits as I showed over here, seeding it sits with an edited access with this service account. Once done, you just need to paste that link and wait for the magic to happen. You will receive all the CRUD functionality, create, update, patch updates and all. And every request is protected by an API key. You can simply pass API key in your request header. And also, there's a webhook that notifies you for when row is created, when row is updated, when a row is deleted, when there's a batch create, or when a state is updated, right? So there are multiple events that throws all the data, necessary data, back to any system that you want to. Here comes all the history. I had also created a traveling Nepal project, and I'm trying to make a mobile application that lists all the list of attractions nearby. I can simply use the Google Sheet to update the data and get all the list of data over here. So all the list of data. Yeah. So let me know what you come up with using this tool. And thank you for watching. This is sheets2api that turns any sits into an API in a second. Now it's your time to try sheets2api.pro and let me know what you build in the comment section. Bye-bye.